it's me, Computer Wizard 333. Just debuting this channel with an exciting video. I just made my first website. I am very pleased with the results. I'm gonna post my website that I made in the description below. Wowee, everybody. Welcome to Computer Wizard 333 first video. That's me. So, as you all know, it's a new year. It's 2021, as you can tell. We have to celebrate, not only with fireworks, but with a new website that you should all go check out. And so let me come along with me on this adventure. So as it loads and it opens, you can see it's a pretty complex website. I'm currently learning how to be a software engineer, and I'm taking web development classes. I've just began my journey to become a ninja of the internet languages. And so I built this with General Assembly, and they have free tutorials online. I went off the rails a little bit. This is the introduction course. And let's explore a little bit. I'm going to be tricking this website out. If it's not at this domain, it's going to be at another domain, because this is way too much fun. It was supposed to be a website, that, it's supposed to be kind of like professional, and, it is. It's completely professional. So let's take a look around a little bit. So as you can see, first off, the headshot's probably the most captivating. You can tell that you're completely immersed in the website, so right away I think that I'm utilizing the tools that they give me to really build something worthwhile, and I just gotta give a shout out to General Assembly. They're not paying me or anything, surprisingly. I learned to do this in literally in less than 30 minutes to an hour with some Google searching and stuff, but it's really addicting, learning how to do this stuff. So let's take a look around. This is all built from scratch using simple code. It's not very in-depth yet, but I'm looking forward to getting a little deeper. So let's check it out. We got this little bar. Try and submit it. Doesn't really do anything. Doesn't really work, but it's entertaining maybe if you're the right person. So we got these guys down here. Try giving these guys a click. Oh wait. What's this? Dang it. The delivery on that. Let's restart. I'm going to restart. Okay, we're back. Oh, wait. And so we're checking things out, and we're clicking around. Look at, I'm clicking. Nothing's happening. I'm clicking. And now watch this. I'm going to click this. And it starts some music. Is that not the best thing you've ever seen? Is this not the best website you've ever seen? Tell me that. Comment. Send me a message. We could debate this all day long. If you want, let's do that. Let's debate this. Just wait. Alright, everybody. So, we've got the first website I've ever built right here. Let me know what I should make, and I'll make it. Yes, I will. I will make it. Let's turn off this music, though. For now. Okay, how do you do that? Turn off the music. I don't know how to stop the music. Okay. There we go. So anyway, this is the website that I built. Let's drag me over here. How's it going? This is the first website that I've ever built. I'm very proud of it. I will be making better websites, but I think this is gonna be hard to beat. Yep. If you want to see more of this amazing stuff and you want your eyes to love you, and you want your brain to be happy, just like subscribe to my channel and I'll make it happen with stuff that I make on here. Okay, yeah, cool. Peace out, everybody. Cheers, 2021. Later. Alright, everybody. Thanks again for checking out my video. I will put the links to General Assembly in the description so you can check it out and start coding and making websites. Probably not as cool as my website, but you could probably make some cool websites and stuff, and learn to code, and yeah, learn how your technology works that you use every day. I'm surprised by the number of people, including myself, who don't understand what is actually happening behind the scenes, like on their phones, on the internet, and all that. I think it's going to be really interesting to understand how to build and like understand what's happening and what goes into making a website. So yeah, join me on this journey. If you have any suggestions or questions for me, let me know. And have a great year. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. Computer Wizard 333. Peace and out.